I am a bit of a ukulele addict, and so nothing brightens my day more than when I get a new ukulele. So I got one today, and I am going to unbox it right now. This box seems a little aggressive. I mean, it's this high for a ukulele, you know, that's this big. But anyway, still excited. The ukulele I am unboxing is a Kala U-Bass. I have one U-Bass that is not a Kala that I got when I first started playing, and I felt like it was time for a little upgrade and to get something a little different. Here we go. Here's the box. Now this seems a little more reasonable size for a ukulele than this big huge box over here. Let's see. Tape here. I'm very excited. Cut that open. I've only been playing the U-Bass for maybe a year now. Close to a year. This has a nice bag. Look at the bag. It's soft, but it feels sturdy. That makes sense. Open the bag. Here it is. All right. Looks like it was packed really well. Like they really took care of this before they sent it. Oh, this is beautiful. So here we are. The Kala U-Bass. It's a beautiful finish. It kind of has like a little rough finish. The strings, you know, they're like rubber bands like all the U-Basses. Can't wait to tune it up and to try to play something on it. All right, Kala U-Bass, brand new.